Welcome viewers, you are watching my YouTube channel BioHub and I'm your facilitator Dr. Seema Sharma. In this video, you will get to know about the different parts of female reproductive system in humans and a quick explanation of some important and frequently asked questions based on this segment of the chapter. So without further delay, let's get started. Like male reproductive system, female reproductive system also has number of parts. First diagram I have taken from your NCERT book in which 5 parts are labeled. I am going to explain the structure of female reproductive system with the help of the second diagram. Female reproductive system is located in the lower abdominal cavity. It has a pair of ovaries. Singular is ovary. So we have two ovaries in case of female reproductive system. Ovum, egg or female reproductive cell. It is produced in ovary. Ovum is a single cell. Usually one ovum is released from one of the ovaries every month on an average after every 28 days. And release of ovum from the ovary is called ovulation. These ovaries, they produce two female sex hormones and their names are estrogen and progesterone. Next part of female reproductive system is oviducts or fallopian tube. So these tubular structures which are moving from each ovary, they are called as fallopian tubes or oviducts. They connect the ovaries with the next part of female reproductive system, that is uterus. And these fallopian tubes, they play a very important role during fertilization. Next part is uterus. The uterus is a muscular bag-like structure within which the baby develops after fertilization. Shape of the uterus is just like an inverted pear. Measurement wise, it is 7.5 centimeter in length, 5 centimeter in width and nearly 2.5 centimeter in thickness. And it approximately weighs about 30 to 40 grams. Why I'm giving you specification of uterus? Because we have to learn about every development and fetus development within this uterus. So there you will come to know about the change in size of the uterus. Next part is a very narrow diameter tube which is called cervix and which further opens into a bigger diameter tube which is called vagina or birth canal. So vagina part is the last part of female reproductive system and uterus opens to the outside through this part. So this is about different parts of female reproductive system. Viewers, from this chapter, different sort of questions are asked. So I'm moving on to some important questions which are frequently asked from this part of the chapter. And these are the 5 FAQs which I have included in this worksheet. Question number 1 is list 2 functions of ovary in human female reproductive system. The 2 functions of ovary of human female reproductive system are first, production of female gametes called ova or eggs, and second, secretion of female hormones, estrogen and progesterone. Question number 2 is why are ovaries and testes considered as primary sex organs? Ovaries, you know, they are present in female reproductive system and testes are the part of male reproductive system. And both these organs are considered primary sex organs. But the question is why? So in answer you have to write because both ovaries and testes, they produce gametes or germ cells and sex hormones. Question number 3 is what do you mean by the term ovulation? So in the answer you have to write the release of mature ovum or egg from the ovary is called ovulation. Question number 4 is how many follicles mature every month during the reproductive phase of human female? First, let me clarify the meaning of this term follicle. Follicles are specialized cells present within the ovary and these are those cells where egg or ovum are produced. So in answer you have to write every month one follicle matures, grows and ruptures to release one egg or ovum. Question number 5 is a diagram based question in which you are asked to draw a diagram of human female reproductive system and label its 4 parts. While answering this question, you have to draw a neat diagram of human female reproductive system. Coming to labeling, First part is where fertilization takes place. And fertilization takes place in the fallopian tube or ovary duct. Second labeling is the place where eggs are produced. So ovaries is the site of production of eggs. Third part is the part where implantation of embryo occurs. And here the answer should be uterus. And within bracket you have to write implantation of embryo. Last part of labeling is the part which is also known as birth canal. And answer of this part of labeling is vagina. So this is how you have to attempt this kind of question. If you want to practice few more questions based on this segment of the chapter, then I suggest you to go through my another video titled as Female Reproductive System Solved Worksheet. So with this, it's time to sign out. Thanks for watching. Keep learning about biology on my channel BioHub. Bye.